Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Mal from NC Sewing Machines, NC Carpet Binding. Took a trip down here today with Sean to check out the school, and wasn't able to make that first class, but the feedback that I've gotten from some of the people that we've sent there and took it, they loved it. They absolutely loved it. Some of them were very weak as far as sewing capabilities. They didn't have the basic skills that they needed to get where they want to go. And really that's what Sean's putting together here. He's going to do advanced classes as well, but if you're an entry-level sewer, these classes are a home run.
Like he was saying, the first class we had 4 people that never touched a sewing machine before. Very happy with the products that they produced. We did the front seam, we did top stitch, we made welt cord, and then they actually made a pattern and put it on a bar stool. Every class has an itinerary, but like he was mentioning before, I might cut a little away from that if you have a specialized question. I want to answer you and give you the information that you're looking for. Please come in and take these courses. It's to support the upholstery shops out there. If you got people that are wanting to level up, that's what I'm here for.
AutomotiveUpholsterySchool.com.
And you can do all the booking there. It has all the information up, and then once you actually book, it sends you the itinerary so you know what we're going to be doing in class.